If you're looking for a digital multimedia receiver to upgrade your driving experience, you've probably come across the Pioneer DMH-2660NEX, and for good reason. But how does it stack up against other similar models on the market? In this top 3 comparison, we're taking a deep dive into the Pioneer DMH-2660NEX and putting it head-to-head with 2 of its closest rivals, the Kenwood DMX4707S and the Sony XAV-AX3200. Get ready to discover the pros, cons, key features, and our final verdict. If you want to make a smart buying decision, stay with us till the end. Number 1. Pioneer DMH-2660NEX, the king of CarPlay and Android Auto. Pros: 6.8 inches capacitive touchscreen, fast response, excellent brightness, and a premium feel. Full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility wired. Built-in Bluetooth for hands-free calls and music streaming. Modern, minimalist design, perfect for new dashboards or tech upgrades. Simple, fast interface, ideal for drivers who hate complicated menus. Rear and front camera inputs, great for extra safety. Supports Sirius XM and voice control. Cons: no CD/DVD player, which some users still look for. Apple CarPlay/Android Auto is wired only, no wireless support. No physical buttons, which can be a downside if you like quick tactile control while driving. Best for modern drivers who want total phone integration, a clean UI, and smart features without overcomplicating things. Number 2. Kenwood DMX4707S, the balanced rival. Pros: 6.8 inches WVGA screen. Decent picture quality, though not as sharp as the Pioneer. Compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 13-band EQ, giving you deep control over your audio settings. Smooth, reliable interface. Rear camera support. Adds safety when backing up. Slightly more affordable than the Pioneer. Cons: no capacitive touchscreen. Touch sensitivity is lower. No Sirius XM support, which may be a deal breaker for satellite radio fans. Not compatible with a front camera. Basic design, not very sleek or modern looking. Best for drivers who want CarPlay and Android Auto at a fair price and don't need high-end extras. Great for practical, no-fuss users. If you want to check out these items on the Amazon store, we invite you to take a look at the links in the description. Number 3. Sony XAV-AX3200, simplicity backed by a trusted brand. Pros: 6.95 inches screen, slightly larger than the others. Dedicated physical buttons, perfect if you prefer tactile control. Compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wired. Rear camera input for added security. Clean, elegant design. USB-C port included, great for faster charging and modern connections. Cons: resistive touchscreen, not capacitive. Less responsive feel. Slower interface compared to Pioneer and Kenwood. No Sirius XM support. No front camera input. Basic sound settings, no advanced equalizer options. Best for those who appreciate a classic feel, want a bigger screen, and prefer tactile control with no need for flashy extras. Reliable and straightforward. Final conclusion: which one should you choose? The Pioneer DMH-2660NEX is perfect for those who want the best overall experience. Premium screen, fast interface, adjustable sound, and camera support. Ideal for tech lovers who value both comfort and quality. If you go for the Kenwood DMX4707S, you're choosing the essentials at the best price. It comes with CarPlay, Android Auto, and solid audio quality. Everything you need without overpaying. If you choose the Sony XAV-AX3200, it's because you prefer a mix of classic and modern. Physical buttons, a larger screen, and simple operation. Perfect for those who value reliability without the fuss. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if it helped you decide which CarPlay option is best for you. Also, check out the video description. You'll find Amazon links to each product and some must-have CarPlay accessories. See you soon in the next video.